So, hi guys, welcome to YCB, your coding buddy, and today's topic is list comprehension. So, I will teach you in very simple way how list comprehension works and what is the use of it. So, I will take you with an example or analogy. So, without wasting time, and let me jump into the screen. Okay? Yeah, so it is started. So, you see, let's take an image, your mom card. Okay, so I'm using the same analogy everywhere. So your mom calls you, and it's a holy season. So she wanted to cook. She wanted to make some chips. Okay, so she assigned this task to you. So there are some potatoes in the bucket, and she asked you to peel all the potato and using the chips machine. I don't know what we say. Maybe you need to cut into chips. So your task is first peel them. Okay. So there are two options. You will take one more bucket and you will start peeling and then you will start adding them into this. So these are not peeled one. Okay. And these are peeled one. So this is one approach. Second is what you will do. You will start peeling from this will and you will keep there only. Like you will start peeling and you will after peeling you will keep in the same bucket and you will keep on doing this. So that's what list comprehension is. Suppose you wanted to create a list. So one option is like you will iterate and you will create a loop and then you will add up and you will start adding the items into that. So let's say we want to create a list of five numbers. So first option is you will create one loop for I in range and then sorry my bad, it will be one range and let's say 1 to 6. 6 means here till 5, right? So then this is result a list that you created. This is empty and you will keep on like adding. So result dot append and you will add I. Okay, so this is one option. Now it will keep on adding like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is a shortcut method or using the list comprehension technique. What you will do, you will say like, okay, this is my bucket. I want to perform this operation. So you will use the same for I in range. And so you are using the same loop range 1 to 5. Similar to this, you can say like this is your uh, existing items, okay, potatoes. And after peeling, what you are doing after processing each element, you are storing it. So that's all. That's the list comprehension. Now suppose you wanted to filter some, maybe you wanted to discard some of the items. Right now what you are doing, you are peeling all the elements, all the potatoes, and you are keeping in this. If you wanted to perform filter out something, then what you will do, I for I in range, let's say 1 to 5 we are still taking, but now you are taking only even numbers. Even means what? Remainder, when we are dividing this number with 2, remainder should be 0. Now you said, okay, if this is the condition, then only keep this into bucket. Okay, so first you are performing on this operation, and at each time you are checking this. And if this is satisfying, then you are keeping it. Might be you wanted to, there is another approach, or maybe so this is, don't you think it's very simple instead of like either otherwise what you will do, you will create a loop and you will keep on appending, you will add if condition then add, and it's very simple. Similarly, suppose now you instead of uh, storing only even numbers, what you do, you wanted to store even or odd. So okay, let's take example. If you wanted to apply if and else both, I mean you wanted to handle all the items. Maybe if you said like, okay, the items that will be peeled, and after that you will say which one is good one, which one is good for chips, and which one is not good for chips. Maybe small potatoes, you would make the chips of them. So you are marking them or you are making them. So let's say here you have numbers and you want to mark them odd or even. So what you will do, if I percentage by 2 equals to okay, I'm using first here you write I for I in range. What are the numbers? 1 to 5. Okay. 1 to 6. I mean, I'm so sorry. Here also it will be 6. Then only you will get till 5. Otherwise, you will get till 4 only. So, okay. Now, if I percentage by 2 equals to 0, then you will say even. Okay. Else, if it is not the case, then you will say odd. So, you are labeling each item, each element or item, whatever you say. So now let me jump. So today I pre-made the example so that it will be quick. I do not want to waste anyone's time and my time as well. So I thought, why don't I create the code instead of typing everything again and again. So let me jump into the screen and I will share you quickly. Let me start recording. Okay. So I'm on the screen. First thing is, okay, let me do it. So first you can see I have kept one example where we are starting with the loop. So this is a empty dictionary you can imagine of, or maybe there are for I in ranges 1 to n, 1 to 6 you are taking and you are storing. So same operation, I kept the name of the lib string as. So let's say we are keeping this only. Okay. So now what I'll do, I will just print it. So what do you think? It will create a list for each item 1 to 6. I mean, it will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 won't be there because that is upper bound, or you can say whenever you feel you, if I already explained in the previous video. So that's why. So let me run it. So you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you have to do it, say, with the for loop and appending the elements into the empty list, then it will be tedious, right? And it's easy, and also there is some optimization you can explore it, and it will be faster as compared to the for loop. Okay. So let's say, okay, now I'm keeping the second example where if it is even number then only I'm keeping. So the second example, so let me cut it down. Okay, now if we'll see in the second example we are keeping the loop till 5 only, till the 11 means 10. We have 1 to 10 numbers and we are checking. I thought let's take till 10, then it will be better, like we'll get more odd and even numbers. So what I'm keeping only even numbers. So if you see, it will start with 1. It will say 1 percentage by 2 equals to 0. No, it's not an even number, so it will discard that. It will filter that. That's like you are filtering and you are removing the items that you don't need. Okay, so this is the second example. Third, what I'm keeping even numbers as with even concatenating, and odd with, okay, here if you see I'm keeping this one L3, where I just kept another example where I'm keeping the same but I'm formatting the numbers. So you'll see, okay, odd or even number. Okay, so you'll see 246 with even number. So you see it is the same as this one, only the thing is like I concatenated even or odd with the number. So here you will see all the even numbers, 2 even, 4 even, 6 even. Okay, so it's pretty much simple, similar to the what we already covered in the previous. And the fourth example, I'm taking range from 1 to 11, or you can say range from 1 to 11, that means 1 to 10 numbers will be there. And for each number I'm labeling, maybe you can say like good potato or bad potato, you can think of. So if I percent is by 2 equals to 0, that means I'm keeping the label even and also displaying the number, so it will be easy for you to understand which number is even, which is odd. And else condition, so say other option, then I'm keeping odd. Okay, so let's print it. I'm so bad. You see, 1 odd, 2 even, 3 odd, 4 even, and so on till 11. That's pretty much about this video, and thank you so much. And tomorrow we are going to discuss dictionary comprehension, as well as, yeah, dictionary comprehension, and I will teach you generator expression in the next video. But dictionary comprehension very important, we are going to discuss. Thank you.